Hello dear student, today in this video we will solve chapter number 15. The name of the chapter is data through pictures. So dear student, in this chapter we will try to learn how to read the data given in the pictures, or you can say it in different data in different chart form. Okay, so it is very easy to read the data if it is in picture form or if it is in some chart form. There are different type of chart, because when we read a data which is just in text form, it takes a long time to read, to understand. But if it is in picture form, we quickly understand what is given there, what is the exact number is there. So we will see how it is useful. So let's start, dear students. So Meera and Kabir decided to act like reporter and collect information from their friends. And what kind of information they are getting? How many hours a day do you spend watching time? So you can see here that answers given by their friend. 1 hour, some of them are saying 1 hour, some of them saying 1.5, some of them saying they are spending 2 hours a day, 2.5 hours. So what you have to do, you have to write half hour. So how many students are there who watch TV for half hour in a day? So I just counted here and I find there are 6 children. You will count by yourself and then you will write the exact number. In the same way, you will find the 1 hour. How many children are spending 1 hour to watch the TV? So you will write the number by counting, then 1.5, then 2 hours. In the same way you can do. After filling this table, what you have to do, you have to write the answer of this question. Okay, fill in the blank. Look at the table and answer the following question. After filling this table, you will be able to find the answer. How many children watch TV for more than half an hour? So half an hour is half hour. So after these are the numbers you will write here, and you will count, you will add all the numbers and then you will write the answer. Okay, for example, I'm just assuming 4 children are there who watch TV 1 hour daily, 5 children 1.5 hour, 3 children 2 hours. I'm just randomly writing this. You will find the exact number and then you will add all this number and then you will write the answer. Question number 4, more children watch TV for 2 hours than half an hour. True or false? So when you will fill the table, you will get the exact number, then you can state that whether it is true or false. After the stock taking in a shop, Joseph uncle takes stock of the play items like toys, board game and sports item in his stock in his store a week. Before the summer break, he tries to record the item in his shop using a pictograph. He noticed that there are too many items of each kind in his shop. It is not easy to make a picture of every item. He want to make a chart of the items in his shop by making their picture. But as he found that there are lots of items are there, and if he will try to make the picture of each item, it will not be easy to do that. So suggest some way how he can do that. How can I show this with pictures? So one of his friend, one of his helpers suggested using one picture, as there are lots of items, so he can't one picture for each item. Instead of one picture for each item, what he suggested, he said for 5 toys he can just he can make this picture. This symbol state that there are 5 toys. This picture state that there are 5 board games, and the symbol of this racket, it is showing there are 5 sports item. So in this way you can see here he made finally a data like toys. How many toys are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 pictures, and it is given here one picture is equal to 5 toys. So total number of toys are 8 5s are 40. Isn't it easy to read it? है ना? अगर if instead of this picture, if he use one picture for each toy, then it will look very messy, and if anyone will count the number of toys, it will be very, you can say, time taking process. Okay, but now it is very easy to understand, to read. board game. So you can say you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So and each picture is showing 5 board games, so 10 fives are 50. Similarly, sports items, so you will count the number of rackets and then you will multiply with 5 and then you will find the number of sports item. So by this you will fill the blank, how many toys are there, how many board games are there, how many play item are there. Is there any other scale that you can use to make the pictograph? Choose your scale and show the same data using a, so instead of you this there are many other ways you can to show toys. Okay, you don't need to use this. Instead of this they're there are so you can make some for the you just can denote t and one t stand for 10 toys. Okay, similarly for board game no need to draw this, you can use b and you can say 1b is equal to 10 or 5 board games, whatever you think it is easy, or you can say just four board game. It's upon you what scales you are giving to the symbol. Okay, and according to the symbol, the number of picture, number of the symbol you have to put in your final data. So similarly, Dipti noted down the number of two-wheelers passing her house in 1 hour on 3 different days, and she is making a data chart here. You can see here she already made. She used one icon. This one icon, it is denoting how many. It shows 3 two-wheelers. It means if one picture of this there in the data, it means she is mentioning 3 two-wheelers. So we have what we have to do, we have to give the answer of the questions given below. Fill in the blanks of the, observe the pictograph and answer the following. First one is, which day had the most two-wheeler pass? Obviously Friday. How many total two-wheelers did she recorded over 3 days? So you first of all you will count the pictures. How many pictures, how many symbols are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So 24 pictures are there and each picture is denoting 3 two-wheelers. So total 24 threes are 72. How many fewer two-wheelers were seen on Wednesday than on Monday? So on Monday you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 threes are 24 were there, and on Wednesday 1 2 3 4 12 are there. So 12 minus 24 minus 12 will be 12. So 12 two-wheelers were fewer seen on Wednesday than on Monday. So you will write here 12. Question number 4, how many more two-wheelers were seen on Friday than on Wednesday? So Friday you will count the total. So total is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 threes are 36 and here it is 36. So 36 minus 12 it will be 24. So the answer will be 24. After that, recording a day. One day Raman and Sheila decided to record how they spent their day. Raman recorded his daily routine in the table given below. So you can see here each picture of this is showing 1 hour. So the time spent sleeping 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So she sleep for 9 hours. 9 hours. Time in school 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 hours. Time spent for study 2 hours. Time spent for eating 1 2 3 6 hours. Okay, and then other activity only 1 hour. So in this way, okay, Sheila recorded her routine in the following manner. So you can see here, this is the one way to show the data how we spend our time in a day. This is the other way. Although they both are showing the same thing, time spent, but their strategy, their techniques are different to show the same data. So you can say to show the same data we have many methods. It's upon you what method we are using and which method will look better to present the data. So she is using bars. Okay, and this side vertically you can see the number of hours is given, and this side the number of activity is given, like sleeping time in school. So like if I think about study, this is study. So 1 2 3 4, so she's spending 4 hours. So after this, by looking at this, you have to fill all this. I think you can do it. Let's do randomly this third one. How many more hours does Sheila spend studying compared to Raman? So where is Sheila? This is Sheila's chart. Okay. So Sheila is studying for she is studying for 4 hours. And what about Raman? Raman is studying for, where is Raman study time? Yeah, 2 hours. So Sheila is studying 2 hours more than Raman. After this day in my life, record your, so you have to make your own data representation here. Okay, for sleeping hours, how many times you are taking, how many hours you are consuming. You can use your own method. Okay, you can use like Raman used this square method to show 1 hour. You can use something else. Okay, just you can use H for 1 hour, and for the other hour again H, in this way, or you can do some other way method as well. Similarly, you have to make the Sheila's method as well. The bar she used, you will use the bars. For example, if you are sleeping for 6 hours, okay, 7 hours, okay, so for sleeping you will see mark here 7. So this is 7 and this is sleeping hours. So in this way you will draw the bar for different activities. Okay, next is whose index finger is longer. This is an activity. What you have to do, the instruction are given here, just cut the strip according to the instruction, and then you have to paste those strips here in the bar. For example, if your strip is 7 centimeter long, so you will paste that strip here. Okay, and similarly you will write the name of your friend, other friends, and you will paste their pictures here. Similarly, your friend will do the same. They will ask for the strip of the size of your finger, and they will paste in their textbook. And after doing this activity, there will be many strips like this. Okay, and then you will fill the table, whose index finger is longest, whose index finger is smallest. Okay, what is the difference? Or the length of the longest index finger is dash centimeter, the smallest index finger is dash centimeter long. So you will be able to do if you will paste the strips with your friends here. After that, come to next, food wastage in a school canteen. Rani stays in a residential school. Residential schools are the school where students live there for the whole day, and they go to their home only on vacations, or you can say only on weekend. Her school dining hall display the amount of food wasted and the number of children the food could have fed. So the data is given here. Let's read the notice board. Take all you can eat. Eat all you take. Yesterday's food wastage was 13 kg, and this 13 kgs could have fed 25 people. So this is a very serious thing. We have to think about it. Don't never waste food. Okay, take only that amount of food which you can eat or which is required for you. So the food wastage you can see here on Monday sandwich, the food wastage was 5, and each is showing us kg. So it means 5 kg food wastage of paratha sandwich was there. Tuesday paratha was made and it was 6 kg wasted. Khichdi was 8 kg wasted on Wednesday, and puri sabji on Thursday it was again 7 kg. Similarly, idli sambar on Friday 4 kg. So the least wastage was idli sambar on Friday. So I think students like idli sambar most, and the khichdi I think they least like khichdi because the wastage of khichdi was most on Wednesday. So by reading this table you will fill this table, fill the blanks, like which food item has the highest amount of obviously khichdi, which food item has the least idli sambar, how much total food wastage was recorded. So you will add all these numbers, 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4. If 1 kg of food waste can feed 3 children, so how many children could have been fed with the total wastage? So you will add all this number, then you will multiply that with 3 and you will find the exact number. I'm not solving this for you, you will do by yourself, so that you can have you will be good in calculation as well. Otherwise you will just copy the answer which I will write here. Dash day had less food wastage than day dash day has then there is so least less food wastage. So less food wastage is, you can say dash day has less food wastage. So Friday has less food wastage than Monday, or you can write any other, like on Wednesday. So you can write any two, you can compare any 2 days food wastage, okay, but you will write here those day which has less food wastage than the other one. If the same food item are to be repeated next week, can you predict which food item is likely to be wasted the most? So it's upon you, the answer you will write by your own choice, okay, which food item will be wasted next week. But I think next week the wastage will be less, okay. After this, true or false, you have to state after observing this picture, true or false. All girls are wearing glasses. So this is wearing glasses, yeah, yes, but here she is not wearing, so it is false. More boys are holding books than girls. So you can see how many boys are holding books. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so 7 boys are holding book. Now come to girls. 1 girl is holding book, second girl is holding book, third girl is holding, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, 7 girls, so it is a tie, okay. Again, let me count, maybe I skip some student, some boy. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is a tie, yeah. So the question was more boys are holding books, true or false? So it is false, both are same. The number of children holding books is greater than the number of children wearing caps. So now you will count these things, like the number of how many children are holding books and how many children are wearing caps. Then you will compare, and if they are the children holding book are greater, you will say true. If it is less, then you will say false, okay. So in this way, like the 10 children are wearing caps on their head. 10 children are wearing caps on their head. So you will count the number of students who are wearing caps, and then if it is 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it is 2, okay. I think you can do it, it's very easy. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you.